Hey guys, it's Pat. Today we are unboxing this, the Logitech Advanced MK545, which sounds like an absolute beast of a machine gun from the World War II era. In any case, this is a keyboard and mouse combo, wireless of course, and before I unbox this, I just want to share some of the notes on the back here. It has some pretty interesting features and things that Logitech, or Logi as it says on the keyboard here, Logi now, which is the Office lineup, really piqued my interest. So listen to this: 36-month keyboard battery life. 36 months! That is insane. My phone can barely handle a day. Familiar key shape and feel, whatever, that's fine. Whisper quiet, so great for the office. 3 tilt positions, that's great. Advanced 2.4 GHz wireless, which is actually similar to their gaming lineup, so that's really cool. So expect very good connectivity here, and it does say encrypted and safe, so nobody can hack your keyboard, which is, I mean, in this day and age, that's not something we should take lightly. And the mouse, 24-month mouse battery. Now that's interesting. Why a little bit less? I'm guessing is because the mouse has to always have its laser on, so it does use a lot more battery power. But in any case, 24 months, 36 months. Are you going to have this for 3 years? You hope so, because it should last that long. Your warranty in Australia is 2 years, but the battery life is as long as the warranty, which is, to me, absolutely incredible. In any case, there's a 7-button scroll wheel and so on, so let's actually open this up and see what they are like in real life and inside. Now, as always, I forget my knife and I've been mucking around for an hour trying to fix my laptop to record audio because I updated to a new Mojave update from Mac OS X, and I wanted to get that really nice dark theme on Mac. And unfortunately, what it meant is that Audacity stopped working, so I had to find another app that works, so finally I can record. And we have a storm in Perth that's really pushing down a lot of fences. Yes, I've lost the fence. Alright, let's have a look. This is a keyboard. Obviously, let's get it out of the box. I'm not going to look at the keyboard first, I want to see what else is in the box. And the thing is, oh, it's really big. It's actually quite a large keyboard. Obviously, it's got the extra keys, but overall, it's quite large. That bottom bit is obviously locked in. Let's see what's next. There's your universal USB receiver. These are great. I have to admit, Logitech has just basically said, okay, every single device that's wireless is going to use one type of wireless dongle, which means if you ever lose one, you just buy another one of these and reconnect them, which is great because they're bloody tiny. We've got the mouse here. Oh, it's a big mouse. I don't know, from the box, it's kind of looked like it was going to be a small mouse and small package, and oh wow, that's it. They literally added that whole half layer there just to fit the mouse. Could have just made it a little bit longer and put the mouse right at the end. A lot less space wasted. But in any case, what can you say? It's just a cardboard box, and at least this one is recyclable. The plastic, however, is probably not. Well, anyway, let's have a look at the mouse first. Very nice weighted mouse. Definitely something I'm interested in. Will I take it to the office? We shall see. Bit of plastic around the edges. Let's have a look what it's covering. It's something very sticky. Oh, that's interesting. This is a nice rubbery. It's not matte, but it's quite smooth and kind of sticky, kind of grippy. Obviously, there's a rubber on the side there, which looks really nice. Let me pull this one around. Wow, these things are sticky. Very good mouse. Fits in really well in my palm. Obviously, left and right person can use it. Left-handed, right-handed. And we've got a tab for the battery, which I'm just going to pull out. And there, it's on. Fantastic. So the batteries are provided. It takes 2 double A's. And, ooh, now I like this. Little storage for your USB right there. You're not going to lose it. And the on and off button right here. Awesome. I wonder why they put the little tab here and then leave it as on. Maybe people don't realize that you still have to flick the switch on there. So that's the mouse. Very smooth on here. And let's have a look at the keyboard now. Ooh. Yeah, a little bit of plastic around the edges. Again, we've got an on button that's already on. So all you have to do is pull out the tab that's here. And we're going to pull the tab out. Oh, this one's a little bit harder to pull out, but that's okay. Got him. And it does also take 2 AA's. And we've got another little storage for the USB thing, which is cool. Hopefully you don't lose it. Now on the back, we've got 3 levels, as they said on the back. We have 1, 2, and 3. However you like it, it's up to you. They seem to be really nice rubber grommets on here, very thick, and they seem to be well glued on, comparably to other products I've seen in the past. Wow, it's a very nice keyboard. It's it's not heavy. Like, I usually say, whoa, this is heavy, but no, this one is definitely not heavy. It does feel very solid. It's not, you know, not bendy. Let's see how much pressure it takes. Oh, wow, that's really cool. So it doesn't bend under the pressure of my fingers. Let's see what if I put the level up to the highest. That's pretty solid, I have to admit. And the typing experience should actually be, and it is quiet and should be really nice. Check that out. That is very professional. On-off button, very easy. We've got some play buttons here. Next, back, next again. Sound clicks. Okay, with an Office one, I don't really mind the clicks, but I still prefer a little rolly ball, a little tube thing that will get the sound up and down. I don't know, I find it much more natural than going, or, you know, down. The buttons are kind of soft. I don't know if it's a membrane, I'm guessing it is. They feel a little bit mushy right at the end. But when you're just flicking through its clicks, have a listen to this. Very quiet, very impressive. There is a little bit of a matte finish here with a pattern lines going across. So when you run your nails across, it does make that noise that you might remember from playing with stuff like this. But overall, it's a very nice keyboard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start using it for a couple of days at work. I think it's appropriate to do so. And I'm going to give you guys a review of this, maybe a little bit of an entertaining video. But I'm going to let you guys know if this is actually a worthwhile Office product, and if it's actually any good with its wireless, because at the end of the day, if the wireless is crap, the whole product is crap. What are you going to do when this doesn't quite click where you want it to, or you miss some strokes on the keyboard? It's not going to help. So guys, thank you very much for watching for this unboxing, and I'll catch you in another video.